Hello and welcome to the very first video tutorial of Lipstick and Pixels. My name is Iglika, I'm the founder of Lipstick and Pixels, and today I'm going to show you how to create a favicon for a WordPress website. I'm super excited for this video because this is the very first tutorial on Lipstick and Pixels YouTube channel, so I really want to make it right. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is to actually create your favicon. The ideal favicon size is 512 by 512 pixels. If you're not a designer, you probably don't know how to use Illustrator or Photoshop, but that's okay because there's Canva. If you don't have a Canva account, you could just go to canva.com and create a free account. If you have one, just log into your account. So then I want you to go to create a design and then click on use custom dimensions. Then we're going to input the width and the height. It's going to be 512 by 512 pixels and then click on design. This will open a new window. And then before actually editing the design, I always like to name it properly and save it. So I'm going to name this favicon new because I already have one, but you can just name it favicon or whatever you want. Then click on done and then click on file and then save just to make sure it's saved. So there are two ways for you to create a favicon. You can either use your logo, which you already have, or you can create a favicon from scratch. So let me first show you how to use your logo as a favicon. Okay, click on uploads and then upload your own images. This is where you're going to upload your logo. Okay. I'm uploading mine right now. After your logo's been uploaded, all you need to do is to click on it. Okay, then you can reposition it, you can adjust the size if you want, arrange it basically however you like. You can make it much smaller, just to see how it's going to look because it's going to appear here on the upper corner of your web browser. So yeah, I'm actually pretty happy with that one. So I'm just going to, center it properly. I'm just going to make it a little bit bigger. Like that. And then once you're happy with that, all you need to do is click on download. Okay. And I think that you should just save it as a PNG. I think that's the best choice. Then just click on PNG and then click on download. Okay, that was actually it. It is super easy. All you need to do is just to upload your logo, then, resize it and then save it as a PNG. And then I'm going to show you in a second how to upload it to your WordPress website. Number 2 is to actually use Canva's elements. So go ahead and click on elements and then click on shapes. So let's imagine that you don't have a logo and you just want to, or you don't want to use your logo as a favicon maybe. So you want to create a favicon from scratch. So first of all, I recommend that you don't use some kind of a, no fancy illustrations or something like this because it's going to be really hard for the user to read that. I mean, I'm actually debating whether or not to change my own favicon because my logo is not really, can't really read what it says. And so maybe I'm just gonna replace that with 1 or 2 letters, maybe LP or something like that. But for example, if you look at Canva's favicon, it's just, the first letter of their logo and then the circle. So you can read it and you can recognize it. I have also a bunch of other things, including YouTube. As you can see, it's just they're an icon. They use an icon as a favicon. So yeah. So what you can do is use simple shapes, like we can also use a circle. So once you create the circle, click over here to change the color. If you haven't already, you can add your brand colors to Canva. If not, just click on document colors and then paste the color code, the hex color code that you want to use. Okay, here is mine. So there is a circle, and then I'm gonna add some text. Actually, okay, let's just add LP. Depending on your Canva account, you can either use the fonts that you see over here, or if you upgrade, I'm actually in the free version right now, but if you upgrade, you can upload your own fonts. And for example, you can use the fonts that you use in your logo, which is pretty cool. I'm just gonna stick with those fonts for now, and then obviously I'm gonna change the size. Let's reposition that. Maybe I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger. Yeah. Cool. Yeah, and then obviously again, I like to use my brand colors, and I'm using this very dark yellow. Okay, like that. And again, I'm going to click on download and then download that. Okay, so now I have 2 versions of my favicon, and I'm ready to upload them to my website. Of course, you have only one favicon, so you have to decide which one you like to use. But I'm just going to show you how both look like on the website. Okay, I'm into the WordPress backend right now of Lipstick and Pixels. Then in order to change your favicon, you want to go to customize your site. And then click on site identity. As you can see over here, I have my old favicon, and then I'm just going to click on change image. Then upload files. Okay, and first I want to test the first favicon. Okay, looking good. I'm going to click publish. And then reload the website. Okay, the new favicon has been uploaded. Do you see the difference? Okay, that's cool. So now let's try it and see how the other favicon will look like. All right. Cool. Publish. And there you go. Actually, you can already see it here. Yeah, as you can see there, the images that we uploaded, they are PNGs, but we haven't saved them as transparent PNGs. If you actually want to download an image as transparent PNG, you'd have to upgrade for Canva for Business. I think it only costs $12 or something, so if you really want to do it, you should. I know they also have like a trial period of 30 days, so you can do that. Yeah, or you can just use the image that you already have if you like it like that. Okay, so that was it. After you're happy with the new favicon, just close this, and this will take you back to your WordPress dashboard, and then you're all set. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you want to be notified when the next video comes up, make sure to subscribe to this channel. I'll see you then.